So tell us what we have here.
This is one of our newest products. This is actually like an accessory for a Batwing fairing. This is actually a scoop if you will, or a spoiler, an attachment. This is actually bonded directly to a Batwing fairing for a Harley Davidson. But this scoop will work on some of the other metric bikes as well. It's been bonded and attached with a panel bonding agent. Like they put cars together like a Corvette, they attach all the quarter panels as well to that. This is actually bonded down, and then we did a thin film of glass around the outside edge.
How did you get the idea for this fairing?
Well, these Batwing fairings have been around for a long time, and it really hasn't changed the shape too much. And we're just looking for accessories to actually put on the front of a bike, a standard bike, or an elaborate custom, and just draw attention to the fairing and kind of mix it up a little bit. Get these curves, give it a real aggressive styling to it. We have the option with these holes. You can get it without the holes, or you can get it with the holes. And these holes, if you order it with the holes, you actually get the LED lights of your color choice in there as well.
Also, you can mount LED lights inside the holes?
Yes.
What are we talking about price-wise?
Price-wise, these go for approximately $200.
And that's including labor or not including labor?
No, that's just for the actual fairing. They're price pointed at approximately $200. If you want the holes in it, there's an additional charge. If you want the LED lights in it with the holes, naturally, it's an additional charge.
So I bring you my bat fairing, and you mount this thing on it.
Basically, we could do it that way, or what we have now is we're putting a kit together right now, and what we have is the tabs, the bonding agent, where you actually we just send you the actual spoiler to you, and then you could either have your local shop paint it and put it on. You don't even have to take the fairing off of the bike to do it. It's going to be bonded in 3 positions. Once it's painted from your local shop, it'll just be attached. It takes about 5 minutes to put it on, and just the adhesive, just basically the bonding agent attaches it.
And then you have to repaint on top.
Well, you usually get it painted first, and then you put the bonding agent on, pop it on there. We give a template that works off of the windshield tabs, and it shows you exactly where to center it and put it. And you put a couple pieces of tape, and then you set the template on there, and it holds it in place. You put the actual spoiler on, set it down, give it 15 minutes, and it's bonded.
How long does it take to do the whole maneuver?
To install it, approximately 15 minutes.
And to get it painted?
Painted, it depends on your shop's turnaround. We generally do these, our paint time is usually between 3 to 5 days turnaround.
So this one was made for a client of yours?
Yes, this was made for a customer named Wade Stryker. We actually bonded one of our scoop spoilers on here as well. He requested the LED lights to be installed, so we installed a green LED light kit with the holes, and we actually bonded it, glassed it in on his existing fairing.
And you pinstriped it too?
Yeah, we did it actually with the bike is custom painted, so we actually taped off and did a different color two-tone up in here, the graphic, and then we outside the perimeter of that, we pinstriped it and did a little accent pinstripe on the top as well.
Just to clear one thing, when customers order the scoop or this little addition to the scoop, they don't order the Batwing fairing with it.
Right, they just order this accessory, and this just basically can be bonded onto their existing fairing.
So they have to bring their fairing in?
No, I mean, they can go to their local shop, and their local shop can be signed up as a vendor, and we can ship the part directly to them, or they can buy it through our website, and we can ship it directly to them. And if they have somebody in the local neighborhood that they do their paint work for, take it to a local body shop, they can actually, color match the paint and paint it, and then they can actually just bond it on themselves.